Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to do a foxy eye look, and also I already put my foundation on, my contour, and as well as my setting powder, and this time I actually did my eyebrows. If you ever want to see a tutorial of me doing my eyebrows, just comment below and I will get to that video soon. For my eyeshadow, today I'm going to be using the nude palette from Huda Beauty, and these are the colors that I'm going to be using today. They're so beautiful. I love this palette. So for my base, I'm going to be using this color right here. I'm just going back and forth with my brush. In my crease and on top of my crease. And then I am just gonna go outer of my eye and just like kind of brush it out. Almost like doing a wing liner. And there we go. Now I'm gonna be going with the darker shade, and I'm gonna use Teddy right here. And for that shade, I'm gonna be using a smaller brush, and I'm just gonna go in. And just gonna layer it on top of my base coat. And I'm gonna be curving it out. Like a swoop.
Zane 98.
There we go, we have like that slanted eyeshadow look. That's gonna give us that foxy eye look. Next, I'm gonna use this darker color raw right here. For this, I'm gonna be using a really tiny small brush, and that's how it looks for that color. And then I am just gonna go in and just line my crease. Okay, so how I got to this part I am going to make a curved line up, and I'm just gonna keep doing that so I can get that like cat / foxy look. So just keep moving your brush towards up, and then go on the corner and just move it up. And try to blend it so you won't have any harsh lines. For my lid, I am gonna be using this one and this one. I'm gonna be mixing them together to make a nice soft white. I'm gonna be using this brush right here. This is a flat brush, almost like a concealer brush, and I'm gonna be using that to mix both colors and to apply it on my lid. And I'm just packing it on. I'm just gonna grab a brush without any eyeshadow, a clean brush, and I am just gonna blend it all together. There we go. This is how the eyeshadow looks. Now I'm gonna be doing my eyeliner, and I'm gonna show you step by step how I put on my eyeliner and how I do that fox eye. I am gonna be using this eyeliner right here, and it's by M.A.C eyeliner, and that's how the tip looks. What I like to do first is the outside of my eye first. Just like that. And then I do the top line. And I'm just filling it in. Try to keep the inner of it skinnier than the outer part. And then the outer part, you want it thicker. That's how it looks. Now I'm gonna be doing the hard part, that is the inner corner of my eye. Okay, so I'm gonna do the wing, the little wing in the inner part of my eye. And hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Just filling it in like that. Just make a little triangle. And then just connect it to your eyeliner. Just like that. And that's how it looks. That's how you do a foxy eye. If you see that you have like some parts that are like bleeding out, you can always clean it with concealer and try to get those bad edges off. I got an angle brush with a little bit of concealer on it, and I'm gonna try to fix the parts that are like bleeding out.
So I can make it look straight.
And now that I concealed it, I like going in with the eyeshadow brush and then just trying to blend it so I won't have any harsh lines and you can tell where I cleaned it up. And there you go. That I did both of my eyes. Now I am gonna take off my setting powder and I am gonna put a little bit of eyeshadow under my eyes. So I'm gonna take off my setting powder off now. Now I am gonna go in with this color and then to the bottom of my eyes. I'm gonna go in with the darker shade. Now I am gonna go in my waterline with a brown color instead of a black because I don't want my eyes to look super small. So that's why I'm going in with the brown shade instead of a black color. So for my lips, I'm gonna keep it a little bit basic. I am gonna be using this lip liner from Lime Crime, and it's a pretty nude. And also I am gonna be using this lip gloss from Anastasia. It's so pretty. this is how the Foxy Eye came out, and this is how my makeup came out. And also, the only reason that I did not do my foundation, contour, blush is because I didn't want this video to be too long, and also I wanted to be more focused on my eyeshadow and my eyeliner and my eyes. That's it. I had fun doing the video and also doing my makeup. So yeah, hopefully you guys like it, and see you next time.